Good morning, students. Today I will continue unit number 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Today's first subject is the two regions of the earth are: first one tropical region, second one polar region. In tropical region there is a hot climate, but in polar region there is a cold climate. Polar region situated or present near the poles. Poles means north and south. In that first one is the tropical rainforest. Some adaptations of animals living in tropical rainforest include certain characters. Those characters are: first one, living on the trees, development of strong tails, long and large beaks. Third one is sensitive hearing. Fourth one, sharp eyesight. Examples for the tropical rainforest: monkeys, tigers, elephants, snakes and birds. These are the animals present in the tropical rainforest. The countries where the tropical rainforests are found are: first one India, second one Malaysia, Kenya and Brazil. Second one is the polar regions. In polar regions there is a cold climate. This one means the polar region situated near the poles. Animals having some special characters in the polar region. Those characters are: first one is strong sense of smell, second one a layer of fat under the skin, third one white fur. White fur means soft hairs are there. Large paws. Paws means an animal's foot having claws. This is helpful for the walking and swimming. Examples for animals which are living in the polar regions are polar bear and penguin. The countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Norway and Sweden, and also Finland. Next one is adaptations. The presence of specific features means characters and habits which enable the plant and animals to live in a particular habitat. Habitat means living place is called adaptation. I will revise once again. There are two regions on the earth. First one is tropical, second one is polar regions. In tropical region there is a hot climate, but in the polar region there is a cold climate. The tropical rainforest, the animals living in this region contain certain characters. These characters one by one I have written on the board here. First one, living on the trees. Second one, development of strong tails, long and large beaks, sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight. Examples which are animals which are living in the tropical rainforest. First one, monkeys, tigers, elephants, snakes and birds. The countries which belong to the tropical rainforests are India, Malaysia, Kenya and Brazil. Next one is the polar regions. Already in this region or place there is a cold climate. Animals having some special characters. First one is strong sense of smell, Second one, a layer of fat under the skin. Third one, there is a soft hair that is called white fur. Large paws for walking and animals, swimming. Examples for this one, polar bear and penguin. The countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Norway, Sweden and Finland. Adaptation means the presence of specific features or characters and habitats which enable a plant and animals to live in a particular habitat, means in specific or particular living place.